Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username and profile picture easily using your phone. First, go ahead and open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Now, on your profile, you'll see a button that says Edit Profile. Tap on that. This is where you can make changes to both your username and your profile photo. Let's start with the username. Tap on the field that says Username. Now you can delete your old username and type in the new one you want to use. Just make sure it's available and doesn't contain any spaces. Once you're done, tap the Save or checkmark icon to confirm. Remember, TikTok only allows you to change your username once every 30 days, so choose wisely. Now for the profile picture still in the Edit Profile section, tap on Change Photo. You'll get two options. Either take a new photo with your camera or upload one from your phone's gallery. Choose the one you want, adjust it if needed, and save it. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your TikTok username and profile picture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next one.